Show that the lines x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z minus 3 upon 4 and x minus 4 upon 5 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 0 upon 1 intersects. Find the point of intersection. Now, let x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 is equal to z minus 3 upon 4 is equal to lambda. Now, x minus 1 is equal to 2 lambda, y minus 2 is equal to 3 lambda and z minus 3 is equal to 4 lambda. X is equal to 2 lambda plus 1, y is equal to 3 lambda plus 2 and z is equal to 4 lambda plus 3. Now, now let coordinate any journal point on the given line B. Now, the coordinates will be 2 lambda plus 1, 3 lambda plus 2 and 4 lambda plus 3. Now, this was for equation 1. Now, same for the equation 2. Now, let x minus 4 upon 5 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus 0 upon 1 is equal to mu. Okay. So, now this becomes x minus 4 is equal to 5 mu, y minus 1 is equal to 2 mu and z minus 0 is equal to mu. So, x is equal to 5 mu plus 4, y is equal to 2 mu plus 1 and z is equal to mu. Now, let coordinates of any journal point on the given line B. Now, the coordinates on the second line, it will be 5 mu plus 4, 2 mu plus 1 and mu. Now, this is 2. So, now on these Cartesian equations, we have just find it the coordinates of any of the point on the lines, for coordinates for first line, coordinates for the second line. Now, we have to find whether the lines are intersecting or not. Okay. So, now if the lines intersects they have a common value, they have a common value or a common point. Okay, they have a common point. So, for some value of lambda and mu, we have. Now, what this means? If the lines intersect, they have a common point for some lambda or mu. So, we are going to equate the coordinates. Okay. So, now we are having 2 lambda plus 1, this one, is equal to 5 mu plus 4. One thing. Then 3 lambda plus 2 is equal to 2 mu plus 1 and 4 lambda plus 3 is equal to mu. So now this implies, now on solving what we are having, 2 lambda minus 5 mu, 2 lambda minus 5 mu is equal to 3. Let this be equation number 3. Then 3 lambda minus 2 mu is equal to minus 1, equation 4. Then 4 lambda minus mu is equal to minus 3, equation 5. Now let's solve the equations now. Solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. Now we are solving these two equations to get the value for lambda and mu. Now when we are solving this one, we are getting 6 lambda minus 15 mu is equal to 9 and 6 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to minus 2. Now on solving what we are getting, negative, positive, positive. So this cancels. Now 11 mu is equal to 11, mu is equal to 1. When mu is 1, what lambda will be? Now, and lambda is equal to, now putting mu is equal to 1, so 6 lambda minus 15 is equal to 9, or 6 lambda is equal to 6, lambda is equal to 1, or lambda is equal to 1. Now we are having, I am sorry, it is negative, okay. So we are having negative of 1 and lambda will be negative. So mu and lambda both are negative, okay. So here was a little bit mistake. So we are having mu minus 1 and lambda minus 1. Now putting value of mu is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to minus 1 in equation 5, and equation 5 is what? 4 lambda. So 4 with minus 1 minus minus 1 is equal to 3, or this implies minus 4, sorry, it is minus 3. So we are having minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Now equation 5 is satisfied, hence lines intersects. Now this is one thing, hence lines intersect. Now we have to find the point of intersection. They have given us to find the point of intersection. So we can put anything. Now point of intersection, now putting in any one of the equation, either in this one or in this one, okay, value of lambda or value of mu, lines of intersecting. Now to find point of intersection, put lambda is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Once again I am telling you, you have to put either lambda is equal to minus 1 here, same coordinates will be here also, okay. So we are having now points when lambda is equal to -1 in equation 1. So negative of 2 plus 1 is -1, -1 and -1. Answer.